Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is April the 24th, and I thought I would start off another little video series with marigolds. In my other series where I have a few videos already posted, I showed you the plants, but I didn't actually show you the starting off the germination process. So I only have, I think, maybe 6 plants, so I want to start off a few more, and I thought I would just get it on tape. So I've got a little plastic container, just got this at my local dollar store, a little bit of paper towel. I'll just show you the ones that I'm buying. They are Rubbermaid take-alongs. These were $3. You can actually see the price tag right there, Dollarama, $3. Very good deal. These are actually less expensive than going to your local Walmart and getting them there. So these are really good. So that there. So we've got our container, little piece of paper towel. I'll just get that in there. I'm going to get a little bit of water on here. You don't want to use super cold water. This is just at room temperature. So we'll just let that paper get wet. So on the back of the package right there it says days to sprout 5 to 8. So I've taken a few out and I'll just show you what they look like. You can see how they're actually pretty large seeds. And we'll just get all of those in there. Just sprinkle them around. That's good. And I'm going to put a few more. Just all around. That's good. And then I'm just going to fold this over. And I'm going to add a little bit more water. That's good. If you press down and you can see the water coming out, then you know you have enough. That's good, just like that. And then we will just place a lid on top. And that there is ready to go. So make sure you label it. Just get a little piece of paper, mark it on the paper, and then just either tape it on there or just leave it on the top. And there we have it. So we've got that first video locked in. When I do see some progress, then I'll come back with a video 2 for this series. And I do have another series that have marigolds that are already about maybe 6 inches in height, so they're coming along really well. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you do subscribe, there's a brand new notification bell right beside the YouTube subscribe button. If you click that, you'll be notified in your email each time I upload a brand new video. And if you like to bake, make sure you check out my large baking channel on YouTube. That's over at youtube.com/bakelikeapro. And I also have a large Facebook page for that YouTube channel at facebook.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next one.